My dear brothers and sisters, when you go through crisis moments, struggles, sicknesses, financial problem, loneliness, family problem, when you are feeling isolated and rejected by many, that is when you always search, is there anybody who is to support me? Is there anybody to comfort me? You look around, is there anyone who can come and sit next to me and listen to me, my burden, my worries, my tension, and console me? This is something which everyone thirsts for when there is a crisis and struggle, especially those who are going through that crisis. Today the Lord wants to give us a word of God, Psalm 119 verse 50. Psalm 119 verse 50, we read like this. The biggest thing that was consoling, as per David went through some struggles, not some serious problem. He was abandoned, lonely. He was running for his life. So Bible says, David said, "This is my comfort in my distress, that your promise gives me life." The comfort in my distress, David said, your promises which you gave me in the Bible, in the Word of God, the promises that you give me, that is my life. That gave me strength. That encouraged me in my distress. Which are the promises? There are so many promises, encouraging promises in the Bible. It is good to by heart some of those promises in the Bible. There are so many promises. I know the plans I have for you is not for your harm but for your welfare. There are so many. I will help you, I will strengthen you, Isaiah 41:10, Jeremiah 29:11. So many which you must have already came across during this live streaming for the last 10, 11 months. So please do write down those promises of the Word of God and repeat it if possible by heart it, because these are the words which are going to give you strength, comfort in your distress.